Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 421st episode and the 12th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you an awesome drink that will be perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to make apple cider punch. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and it's going to be full of fall flavor. Everybody would go crazy over this drink. And this would be a hit every year for Thanksgiving. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, cabbage and collard greens. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your apple cider, your orange juice, and your orange sugar, because we're about to make some apple cider punch magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make a simple syrup. In my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. I add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ground ginger. And 1 cup of apple cider. Give it a quick stir. And all we do now is bring it to a boil, and we're going to let it cook until the sugar dissolves. Alright, my friends, our simple syrup has came to a boil. Now we're ready to pour it into the bowl. Now we're ready to add in the other ingredients. Going to add in the rest of the apple cider. So you need 1 64 fluid ounce bottle of apple cider in the entire recipe. We'll use 1 cup for the simple syrup. 1½ cups of orange juice. And 4½ cups, which is 1 liter of lemon lime soda. And give it a quick stir. And that's it, my friends. Our apple cider punch is almost complete. There's one more thing we got to add to the punch. Some orange slices. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it. Apple cider punch. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. Smells like Thanksgiving and fall. So now I'm about to fix me up a cup and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Refreshing. I can taste all the flavors. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Apple cider punch-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving. Cheers!